Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we're fixing a common problem with my 99 Chevy S10. So basically the wipers have a mind of their own. When you hit the wash button or do a pulse, it doesn't always turn off. Sometimes it does, but in general, I'll be driving along and then they just will not turn off. Then I have to turn it on and then turn it back off. Sometimes it doesn't even turn off. And I was looking up some forums, and this seems to be a pretty common issue with the S10. So the main solution to that is to replace the wiper module, which is actually on the wiper motor under the hood. So that's what we're going to do today. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so in this box, we've got my replacement module. It's basically just a circuit board. And we can see we've got our two little fingers for our brushes for our motor. So basically what we're going to do is take apart the wiper motor, which is this guy right here. It looks like we can just pull this cover off and then hopefully just swap it out. These look to be some T25 screws or something like that. They're Torx, the star bits. So yeah, let's get this guy apart. I'm going to be using my cute little Weehaw bit ratchet. I've got a video on this guy if you're interested. Not a T25. Looks like a T20. And like anything, make sure you don't drop the screws. If you need it, a little magnetic dish is helpful. I didn't bring mine out, and I'm not going back to the garage now. So I'm going to just be careful. And that guy just comes up. Oh, it's not glue, it's grease. Interesting. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be grease in there. I'll have to double check. But out with the old. Comes with a new cover. See if it works. So now let's see if they work. Beautiful. Pulse. Single pulse. All right, that's going to be it for today. I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching. When I hit the squirters, they don't always shut off. Okay, it did it this time. It is pretty hit or miss. It doesn't do it all the time. And of course it won't do it because it's on camera.